Once upon a time, in a quiet town by a flowing river, there lived a 25-year-old man named Arjun. Arjun worked in a small workshop. Every day brought challenges, mistakes at work, worries at home, and responsibilities that never seemed to end. No matter how hard he tried, he always felt anxious. His mind was restless, full of doubts and comparisons. He wondered why others seemed happier, why life felt so unfair. And slowly, Arjun began to lose hope that he could ever feel calm or truly happy. One evening, after a long, tiring day, Arjun walked by the river. The water moved gently, reflecting the colors of the sunset. He sat on a stone and whispered to himself, "Why can't I feel calm like this? Why am I always restless?" At that moment, an old man appeared. His hair was white, his eyes kind, and his smile gentle. He sat quietly beside Arjun. Arjun spoke softly, "Sir, my mind is always busy. I cannot stop thinking. I want to be happy, but I don't know how." The old man nodded and said, "Happiness is not something you find outside. It begins inside, and it grows when you focus your mind." The old man handed Arjun a small wooden box and said, "Carry this box and walk to the other side of the river, then come back. But remember, do not drop it even a little." Arjun looked surprised. "Just carry it?" he asked. "Yes," the old man replied calmly. "Focus on this task. That is all you need to do." Arjun held the box carefully and began walking. The river path was busy. Children played nearby. Dogs barked. People shouted and moved around. At first, he wanted to look at everything, but he remembered the old man's words. He focused only on the box, every step slow and careful. Finally, Arjun returned to the old man. He said, "I did it! I didn't drop it!" The old man looked at him and asked, "Did you notice the children playing, the birds singing, the dogs barking?" Arjun paused. "No, I didn't. I was only focused on the box," he admitted. The old man smiled gently and said, "That is the secret. When your mind focuses on the present moment, there is no space for worries about the past or fears of the future. Peace grows when you give attention to what is in front of you." Arjun's eyes widened as he began to understand. Slowly, a sense of calm spread through him, a calm he had never felt before. He bowed his head and whispered, "I understand now. To be happy, I must stay in the present. I must focus on what I can do right now. That is where peace lives." The old man nodded. "Happiness is a choice, Arjun, and peace comes when your mind stops running in 1,000 directions. Start with small moments, and it will grow." Arjun looked at the sunset. The river reflected orange and gold. Birds were returning to their nests. For the first time, he realized he didn't need life to be perfect. He didn't need all worries to vanish. He only needed to focus, to live now, to choose happiness. Over the next days, Arjun began practicing. When he worked, he gave full attention to each task. When he walked by the river, he noticed the sunlight and the flowing water. Small moments, once ignored, became his teachers. He smiled more, felt lighter, and even people around him noticed a change. A friend asked, "Arjun, you seem so calm. How do you do it?" Arjun smiled and replied, "I focus on this moment. I do what I can right now. I don't let my mind wander to the past or future. That's all. Arjun's life didn't become perfect overnight. Challenges still came, problems still arose. But now he had discovered a truth. Happiness is not waiting for life to be easy. It is a choice. And peace comes when your mind lives in the present. And maybe that is the lesson for all of us. No matter what happens, focus on this moment. Find the small joys. Give your mind attention to what you can control. Happiness grows from within. If you liked this story, give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories from the Tales Beyond Word. Until next time, remember, stay present, stay calm, and choose happiness.